Hi guys, Moise Marketing back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about QuadPay. I know I made a video before about it, but I'm gonna make another video again to show you guys how this works. So it's QuadPay. You're just gonna go straight to my phone. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna go into the app. If you go over my last video, you will see that I have 200 or 300 in my account, but now I got 669 in my account. So, and those are my last, or so I got one more coming November 15th, but that's my issue. It's the thing I've been buying. So now we're gonna go to today. We're gonna go to Amazon because I wanna buy something from Amazon. So we're gonna go to Amazon. We're gonna go to your card. So make sure that's what I said. If you just click here on pay, they will ask you to pay more. But if you go to proceed to check out, make sure you know like how much you're gonna pay before you even use the quad pay. That will like help you to pay less. So we know here that we're gonna pay for 41 and 23. So for example, if I put 41.23, you see that I will have to pay more. I have to pay 45 to 23, but I don't want to do that. I want to pay just the amount I want to pay. So I'll put 38.23 and see. Right there is 42.23 that I have to pay. It's not that bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove that 23. It's gonna be 42. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna click on continue, and they're gonna give you a card. Right there is my card. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, add new card. That's all my cards. Sorry guys, I got a lot of cards. Add a credit card, and it's easy. It's gonna be like automatically fill in everything for you. You don't have to fill anything. Then just go to add. Uh, right there I have my account. Everything is set. Continue. Make sure pick your address. It's my address. Use this address. Let me see to here. Make sure address is right. Wednesday. If I want it Tuesday. If I want it Tuesday. November 10th. Now Tuesday. So I want it Tuesday. Wednesday. So everything looks good. Place order. And that's all. Simple. And I'm just gonna get my, see, it's gone. Money is gone. They're gonna send me a verification that my order have been confirmed, and that's all. Or even you can check it here in process. 38. So yeah, that's how this thing works. It's just easy, right now. I have my confirmation that the order went through. So if you guys still like having problem with it, you guys should like comment below. Just let me know, and I can even go over it with you guys one on one, so that you guys can understand how this works, because this thing really like helped me a lot. So I'm sure that can help you guys too. So stay blessed, take care of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.